Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just wanted to do this little quick channel shout out, not shout out, because I just filmed one actually. Channel update, what's going on, because I like to keep you guys in the loop. This is what I like to do. I hate it when a channel goes dark with no reason. Not even a farewell video or anything, which I did a video on. Yeah, this last weekend I had something, you know, kind of major for the condo show up Saturday. Show it to you right now real quick. So I bought a new bacon holder. So literally had to put someone dropped it off last Saturday. They were very quick. They got rid of that old busted ass refrigerator, which still worked, but some of the internals were falling apart. Some of the shelves, like the it was an older fridge, so like the bar that goes across that holds all your stuff in broke. So I upgraded. So yeah, I pretty much ate up the entire day Saturday, and I thought, oh, I'll just go to the park tomorrow, Sunday, last week, and do some videos, but I just had no ideas, none. The only thing recent, I bought a second adapter for the butane stove, because, you know, 2 is 1, 1 is none. I needed another one. It's just like $7, so I went and bought one. While I was there, I bought a couple butane lighters, because after with the 502 stove, I thought, well, if I got a lighter, butane lighter, it'll give me maybe lighting the stove will be a little easier. So I want to carry that big blowtorch with me. But you know, I mean, I could do a lighter video, but you know, they're all over the place, and I can't very well just do a video on an adapter. And I guess I could cook something, but I really didn't have any anything. I had really no motivation to get out that day, and I wasn't really had like no inspiration either. So so you know, it happens. But I thought, well, maybe it's a good time to just go ahead and take my holiday break. Thanksgiving should be what, 5 days, so Thanksgiving is the 23rd, so I'm planning on uploading this on Saturday, even though I'm shooting this early so I can edit. I'll probably just run right through New Year's. So now I am going to continue doing the Monday shout out until that container is empty. I'm going to keep shouting out channels. And I gotta make sure to triple check, make sure I got everybody. I'll link the playlist at the end if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get everybody's channel shout out properly. Plus, I'm gonna continue doing Cast Iron Wednesday as well. So that's gonna be that's something I'm gonna keep doing because I like doing it. And also, I'm often making dinner at that time, so it's kind of a 2 birds with 1 stone. It's like I'm already making dinner, so I can film it. So I'm gonna keep cast iron cooking going. Plus, I don't really go anywhere. I mean, I just come home, cook dinner, record it. Maybe I'll do a cooking video here and there. I don't know yet. We'll just see. Maybe we'll get a wild hair. Go to do a video, but you know, maybe I'll post it on Tuesdays since it's random Tuesdays. That's kind of the whole point of those. Just randomly put a video up. So yeah, holiday break. So maybe I'm getting a little burned out too. I hear a lot of YouTubers talk about burnout. So that's why I like to step back during the holidays and just, alright, time to take a breather. Because I'm pretty much, you know, it's every weekend I've been just rocking out videos. So, you know, I don't really take any kind of break. So, I mean, it's been a while since I just went and saw a movie, you know. Like, I'm probably going to try to go visit my parents this weekend if they're filling up for company. Even though Thanksgiving is coming, I'm going to go visit Sunday and then go back again either Thanksgiving or that next weekend and go visit with them. So, because, you know, not going to be around forever, so I want to see them as much as I can. I've been over there in several weeks now because I'm a horrible son. Now, I mostly just because I'm always busy with the YouTube, so time for a break. Yeah, you know, give me a chance to think about what I'm gonna do for next year. Keep things going, try to change it up, see what I can do. I don't know yet, so give me a chance to think and reflect on it. So yeah. Well, anyway, if you get a hankering for something, some kind of video. I mean, I literally have over 1,000 videos on my channel that you can just go check out. YouTube used to, post your video number, but I don't know why they quit doing it. I wish they'd go back to doing that, because I like seeing how many videos I had up, because it's like, oh, it's video number 2,000. But I don't know why they keep that information privy to the content creator, but whatever. Anyway, just want to let you guys know what's going on, and I'm not going anywhere, just stepping back for a little bit, recharge the batteries. Plus, it's the holiday season, and gonna spend Thanksgiving with my family and Christmas with my family, and New Year's I'm probably not gonna do anything because I don't give a crap about New Year's. I'll probably be in bed by 9. So, because New Year's, whoopity-doo. So with that, I do like to, let's see, Cast Iron Wednesday will be up Wednesday, so have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll catch you when we catch you. So, alright, peace out.